Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Tuesday, the 19th of February. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, yesterday, since there was no major data releases, we'll just jump straight into our chart of the day. Incidentally, yesterday's chart of the day has triggered, so go back and have a look at that. So we are in that trade and we're probably about 3/4 of the way towards our target. So let's see how that one plays out. The chart that I found this morning, which is actually a very difficult the reality is I found nothing that is ready to go. So I'm showing you a chart that I found which is quite interesting. It's the CAD Swiss on a 4-hour time frame, and it's a converging triangle. But if you actually zoom out of this chart, in your own time or way out, what you'll see is that the market is coming from down the bottom. It's coming up, and then it goes into this compression, which is this is the compression section now. And typically, if this pattern was to play out textbook like, it would compress, and then continue in its movement in that direction. Now, at the present, I personally prefer to trade off the fringes back into the pattern, but we are too much into the compression, so there's not enough room for me to hit my targets. So if you're a breakout trader, the opportunity may come if we break in out towards the upside. If you break towards the downside, it can also play out, but that has a lower probability than the upside break. So for any breakout traders, look out for that one. I personally don't trade breakouts anymore. That's just for psychological reasons in my own trading, but I thought I'd just highlight it as it's the best chart that I found this morning. So this morning's chart of the day, CAD Swiss 4-hour time frame, and it's a converging triangle. What's happening in the session which is about to kick off? Well, there is a little bit of data at 11:30 locally. We have our monetary policy meeting minutes due out for the Aussie dollar, and then this evening at 8:30 from the UK we have an average earnings index due out. That's pretty much wraps up the data for the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.